Hi everybody. Just got little Apani out for a little while. Just for a little while. Today, hey, looking at your colour, you're growing and always going into shed lately, aren't you? Apani goes a little bit on that purple glow when she's coming into shed, and she hasn't really wanted to come on out. Her eyes aren't blue. I don't know if I can get close up for you, but her eyes aren't blue. But when she starts to sort of change colour here, I sort of know what's going on with her. Such a sweet little girl, this one. Although she's nipped me a couple of times when I'm not paying any attention to her. That's when she gives me a little nip, and it's just to say, hang on, you're not really focusing on me, Mum, are you? And she's given me a nip just sort of here because she's hung down too low and is feeling that I am paying attention and where she is, and gets a little bit stressed that maybe she's going to fall. But certainly, it's just like a little needle prick. And I think, did you? I think you did. But what I really want to talk about, and you know, I did a video just with my little grandson the other day about, you know, the good and the not so good and so forth here on YouTube, and I'm not one to get on here and slam anybody about who they are or what they're doing or what they're not doing, unless of course they're not doing the right thing by their snakes. And for me, there's quite a few of those out there that have snakes that I don't particularly agree with in how they care for them or keep them, but I do tend to bite my tongue, and a lot of the time I just don't say anything, because I'm the sort of person that sees it as, if you don't have something nice to say, don't bother saying anything at all. And this isn't about me saying that my way is the only way, or my way is the best way. My way should be how it's done. I believe in what I believe in. I believe in how I take care of my snakes is the better way, and not everybody will agree with it, and I'm certainly okay with that as well. But it's being respectful to others. When you don't agree with somebody or like something, if you can remain respectful, believe me, you'll have a much better response from that person that you are saying that to than you just be so disrespectful. You will achieve nothing at all, ever. Yelling at somebody, you will achieve nothing. Calling somebody an idiot, you will achieve nothing by doing that. We all have a right to speak our minds. We all have opinions on things, and not everybody is always going to agree with you on those opinions. That's life. That is just life. People accusing people of being this and that and something else, and then going low. It's enough to just say, you're a liar. That's all you need to say. You don't need to keep on kicking a dog or a horse, I guess is the word, when it's already down. Just no need to. And I even find it very hard to put into words what to say about that sort of thing. It does make me angry that others treat people like that or speak to people like they do. You know, we are on YouTube as who we are, and to make it enjoyable for others that are watching our videos. And I guess life is about people talking about other people behind their back, or accusing them of this or that or something else. Lots of people thrive on it, and it just seems to be how they choose to live their life. And then there's others that get on here that think they're all this and that and better than others as well. There's people that get on here that whinge and whine about what they have and how much more they want, and yeah, are never quite happy with what they do have. And be grateful for the platform that we have and is available for us to do our videos. Don't utilize it as a place to air your negativity, I guess. And I know it's hard if you feel somebody has done wrong by you. Nobody likes that at all. And I guess, you know, this platform is just being overly used. And for me, why not go straight to that person that you have that problem with? Why tell the whole world? The whole world doesn't need to know. Does it, Apani? Hey? You know, there's so many people that hate snakes. Some for reasons, some for no reason at all, other than lack of knowledge and understanding of them. But that doesn't mean I hate that person. You know, I have a real passion for my snakes. I love them. I think they're amazing. I have one friend, first thing she says is, none of those things are out, are they? Like, that doesn't mean I hate her. She thinks that I'm a bit of a crazy person because I have 8 snakes in my life too. But that doesn't mean I hate her or wish anything bad about her. I don't, and it may seem inconsequential, minor. Oh, whoopie-doo-dah, so what? Lots of people don't like snakes. And that's very true. But in the scheme of things, who are you talking about? Is it really having a major effect on you and your life and who you are as a person? I don't think it does. Of course, if it's a good friend and you see something happening, it's very hard to not somehow get involved And then before you know it, you're in trouble. And it just keeps on going down the line. Just never ends. Some people make up stories. Just to make trouble as well. There's so many drama channels and so many people calling people out, accusing people of. That's never going to go away. I know it's never going to go away. It's just fact of life. But for me, I don't want it to consume my life or what I do here on YouTube either. But it doesn't mean I'm not going to say something every now and again about it. I know some people say some pretty mean things here to people that are just completely uncalled for, and I understand why you would stand up for your rights and come back. But unfortunately, it's like a pack mentality. And before they know it, it's not a one-on-one. It's a 50-on-1. It's 150-on-1. That's unfair. So, yeah. No, it hasn't happened to me. And that's not why I'm speaking up, because it's happened to me. I just watch it happening to a lot of other people. And these people, not all of them do I really know. I just see what is going on. So, people are concerned about trolls. You know, the people that we don't see, that are just a name in the comment section or in the chat bar. But honestly, they're not the ones that are really the problem. It's the ones in front of the camera that are. So don't worry about the trolls. Worry about the ones that you can see. So on a lighter note, I'm going to enjoy having a little bit of time with Apani, who, yes, is only a little snake and will never be a big snake. And she's just as important as any one of my big snakes. Does that tell you anything? Ain't you, Apani? You're as special and as important as any big one around here. So guys, it is about taking care of yourself, your family, friends, giving people a chance. Because sometimes that's what you've got to do. Take care of your snakes and all the animals in your life. Ciao, everybody.